Good morning to all the students of class 6. So in this video, let us try to solve the questions from our exercise 1.1 of our first chapter, knowing our numbers. Okay students, so let us see the first question of our exercise 1.1. So question number 1 says fill in the blanks, and in the left hand side they have given us 1 lakh equals to, and on the right hand side they have given us 10,000. So the question is asking how many 10,000 will be equal to 1 lakh. Okay students, so first of all let us write the numerical of 1 lakh. 1 lakh. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Remember 1 lakh is Indian system. So after 10,000 next will be 1 lakh. Okay, count number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 zeros in 1 lakh. Next, let us write the numerical of 10,000. Okay, 10,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Understood? 10,000. Let's say again. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So if we count the number of zeros in 1 lakh, there are 5 zeros. Okay, and in 10,000, there are 4 zeros. Understood students? So in order to be 10,000, this value 10,000 to be equal to 1 lakh, we need 1 more zeros, right? In 1 lakh there are 5 zeros. In 10,000 there are only 4 zeros. So we need 1 more zeros. Understood? So that's why this 10,000 will be multiplied by 10. Understood students? And we will get how many zeros? Here there are 4 zeros, and with this we will get 5 zeros. Okay, so our answer will be 10. Understood students? Let us try our next question. Next then let us see question number B. So on the left hand side they have given us 1 million equals to that's 100,000. So all we have to find is we have to find that how many 100,000 make 1 million. Understood students? So let us try the numerical of 1 million. Remember 1 million, we are talking about international system. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. After 10,000, next will be 100,000. Okay, after 100,000, next will be 1 million. So count number of zeros in 1 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Okay, students, equals to. Then let us write the numerical of 10,000. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Next will be 100,000. Right, students? So count number of zeros. 1 million. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Right? 100,000. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So we need to add 1 more zeros, right? We need 1 more zeros to get 1 million. So that's why this 100,000 will also be multiplied by 10. And this 10 will be our answer. 1 million equals to 10 times of 100,000. Understood students? Next, let's try question number C. Next question number C, they have given us 1 crore equals to that's 10 lakh. So first of all, let us write the numerical of 1 crore. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Remember, crore is Indian system. So ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. After 10,000, next will be 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore. Right? Equals to 10 lakh. Let us write the numerical of 10 lakh. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. 1 lakh, 10 lakh. Right, students? So let us count the number of zeros in 1 crore. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. There are 7 zeros in 1 crore. What about 10 lakh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros in 10 lakh. So all we need is 1 more zeros, right? So this 10 lakh will be multiplied by 10. So our answer will be 1 crore equals to 10 times of 10 lakh. Understood students? Next, let us try 2 more. There are 2 more questions. Let us try. So next question number D is a little different from the previous 3 questions. So on the left hand side you will see 1 crore. 1 crore is in Indian system, right? And on the right hand side you will see million. Million is international system, right? But there's no need to get confused. It's very simple. You just have to solve the way we solved the first three questions. Okay, so first of all, 1 crore. On the left hand side, they have given us 1 crore, right? So the first step will be to write the numeral. So 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore. Right? Then on the right hand side, they have given us million. So we have to write the numeral of million. Million means 1 million. Okay? So 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million. Right? So let us count. Our next step will be to count the number of zeros. So in 1 crore there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. In 1 million there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Right? So we need 1 more zeros in million in order to be equal to 1 crore, right? So this million will be multiplied by 10. So our answer will be 1 crore equal to 10 times of 1 million. Understood, students? One more question left. So we have one more question. Question number E. On the left hand side, they have given us 1 million equals to dash lakh. So million is in international system, lakh is an Indian system. Okay. So first of all, let us write the numeral. 1 million. So 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million. Then lakh means 1 lakh. So 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 1 lakh. Let us count the number of zeros. In 1 million there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. In 1 lakh there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Right, students? So in order this lakh to be equal to 1 million, we need 1 more zeros, right? So 1 lakh will be multiplied by 10. Hence our answer will be 10. 1 million equals to 10 times of 1 lakh. Okay, students. So that's how we are going to solve this question number 1, fill in the blank. Okay. Let us try our next question number 2. Okay, next, students, let us read our question number 2. So question number 2 says, place commas correctly and write the numerals. Okay, place commas correctly and write the numerals. So in the question, they will be giving us a number name and we have to write the numerals of the given number name. And after writing the numeral, we have to place commas according to the given system. For example, here in our first question, let us see the number name. The number name given is 73 lakh. They have mentioned lakh, right? So lakh means Indian system. So we have to place the commas according to the Indian system using the rule of the Indian system. In the question, if they mention say like millions or 10 millions, then we have to use the rules for putting commas according to the international system. Okay, students. So first, let us try our first question. Here, let me teach you the easiest way to solve such type of given question. Okay, remember the number name they mention lakh. So we have to follow the rules for Indian system. So the rules for putting commas in the Indian system is there. The first comma come after 3 digits, starting from the right side, right? The first comma comes after 3 digits. Here will be the first comma. Then the next comma will come after every 2 digits, right? So after 2 digits, here will be our next comma. And again, the next comma will also be after 2 digits. So on, like this. Right? So these are the ones period. That means ones, tens, 100. These are the thousands period. 1,000, 10,000. And these are the lakhs period. 1 lakh, 10 lakh. Right, students? So all we have to do is we have to put the digits in their respective place below. So for example, 307. They are in ones period, right? 307. So 307. Next we have 75,000. 1,000 means they are in thousands periods, right? So 75,000. This is thousands period. 75,000. And finally we have 73 lakh. That means these are in lakhs period. So 73 lakh, 1 lakh, 10 lakh. 73 lakh. Understood, student? So that's how we are going to write the number name. And you can remove this blank. That's how we are going to write the number name, and we have to place the commas. Here we use the rule for placing commas for Indian system, right? The first comma comes after 3 digits starting from the right side. Second comma comes after 2 digits. So let us check. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 73 lakh, right? 75,307. It's very simple. Okay, so then next let us try question number B. Next then let us try our next question number B. So first of all, let us read the given number name. 9 crore 5 lakh 41. So they have mentioned crore, lakh. That means we have to follow the rules of the Indian system, right? So like question number 1, the first comma comes after 3 digits starting from the right side, right? After 3 digits. Second comma comes after 2 digits. Third comma will also come after 2 digits. Right, students? So all we have to do is we have to put the digits in their respective place value. So let us start. 41. 41. They are in one spirit, right? 41. So ones, tens. 41. But they do not mention any digit to be written in the hundreds place, right? So that's why we'll write 0 here. Then after ones, tens, 100, next is thousand spirit, right? 1,000, 10,000. But in the question, they do not mention any thousand. So that's why we write here again zeros. Understood, student? Next, after thousand spirit, next is lakh spirit. 1 lakh, 10 lakh. So in the lakh spirit, they have given us 5 lakh. 5 will be 1 lakh spirit. 1 lakh place value. In the 10 lakh, they do not mention any. So that's why we write 0. Then after lakh spirit, we have crore spirit, right? 1 crore, 10 crore. So in the 1 crore places, we will write 9. Understood, student? So this is the numerical of the given number name, and we place commas using the Indian system. So let us check. Let us check whether the numerical is correct or not. So 9 crore, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore. So 9 crore, 5 lakh, right? And 41. Understood, students? So this is how we are going to write the numerical of this given number name. Don't forget to put zeros. Okay, students, if you simply write, let's say, if you simply write like this, 9 crore, right? So if you write 9, 5 lakh, 5, 41. So if you write like this, right, it seems correct, but this is totally wrong. Why? If you count the place value, let's see, the place value of this first digit, ones, two, ones, tens, 100, 1,000. 1,000 only, but in the question they mention crore. Understood? So that's why I have taught you this method, this very simple method to solve such type of question. Okay, students, so let us try one more. So then let us try a different one. Question number D. So let's read the number name. 58 million, remember they have mentioned the word million. 58 million 423,202. So since they mentioned the word million, we have to place the commas using the rule of international system, right? So in international system, the first comma comes after 3 digits starting from the right side. After 3 digits. The next comma will also come after 3 digits, right? And the next comma also will come after 3 digits. Okay, this is how we place commas using the rule of international system. Now all we have to do is we have to write the digits according to in their respective place value. So let us start. 202. They are in one spirit, right? 202. So ones, tens, 100. 202. Then after 100 place, next is 1,000 spirit. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Right? So 423,000. 423,000. After 1,000 spirit in international system, we have the million spirit, right? 1 million, 10 million, 100 million. So 58 million. 58 million. So no need to write 400 million. Okay, so this will be the numeral for the given number name. We can say again 58,423,202. Okay, and let's check whether we place the commas correctly or not using the rule for international system. So international system, the first comma comes after 3 digits starting from the right, 1, 2, 3. The remaining commas will come after every 3 digits, right? So 1, 2, 3. So this is the correct answer for this given question. So that's it for this video. I hope you all understood the questions that we solved in the video. I will see you all in the next video. Stay home, stay safe. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you everyone. I will see you all in the next video.